5 old trucks that never break down. Modern trucks are built to be replaced, filled with sensors that fail and plastic that cracks. But these 5 legendary machines were built for a different reason. They were built to stay in your driveway for the next 40 years. We've got a Ford that refuses to die, a Chevy that's simpler than a lawnmower, and the one Toyota that literally defined the word unbreakable. I've spent over 23 years under the hood as a mechanic. And if you want a machine that values your money as much as you do, these are the only 5 left on the market that I would trust blindly. Number 5, the 1987 to 1996 Ford F-150. Specifically, when equipped with the 300 cubic inch, 4.9-liter inline-6. This is what happens when a manufacturer builds a tractor engine and accidentally puts it in a pickup truck. Most people look for V8s, but the working man knows this 306 is the secret to immortality. It doesn't win drag races, but it wins the war of attrition. From a technical standpoint, this engine uses a cast iron block and a cast iron head with a gear-driven camshaft. That means there's no timing belt to snap and no timing chain to stretch. This is a purely mechanical heartbeat with absolutely no built-in expiration date. The inline-6 configuration is inherently balanced, meaning it doesn't suffer from the internal secondary vibrations that eventually wear down main bearings. You can expect 300,000 miles before you even think about an overhaul. The only real vulnerabilities are aging EFI vacuum lines or a finicky selector valve for the dual fuel tanks, both of which are extremely low-cost fixes. Compared to a modern EcoBoost Ford, which uses complex twin turbos and high-pressure injection that can cost $5,000 to service, this old 4.9-liter is a sanctuary of reliability. It's the difference between owning a tool and owning a subscription to a repair shop. It's the simplest Ford ever made. But the next truck on our list is the most standardized V8 ever built, and parts for it are literally everywhere. Number 4, the 1988 to 1998 Chevy CK 1500, known to most of us as the legendary OBS, or Old Body Style Chevrolet. This truck, particularly with the 5.7-liter 350 small block, is a machine you could almost build in your sleep. It represents the absolute peak of American V8 simplicity. The 350 small block has more documented miles than perhaps any other engine in history because it uses a basic pushrod design. No overhead cams, no complex variable valve timing, just brute material strength. The 4L60E transmission is a stout unit if you keep the fluid clean and don't exceed its towing capacity. The suspension is a masterclass in durability, using a simple independent front setup that provides a ride-quality modern trucks try to mimic with expensive airbags. Mechanically, the only things to watch for are the plastic heater hose fittings and the intake manifold gaskets, which can seep coolant after years of heat cycles. We're talking about a $150 job and an afternoon in the garage, while people spend $80,000 on new Silverados that drop lifters at early mileages due to failure-prone cylinder deactivation. This 90s Chevy just keeps firing up every single morning. It's not about luxury. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing exactly what's under your hood. But if you want a truck that actually fought in wars and survived, you have to look at number 3. Number 3, the 1985 to 1995 Toyota pickup, known globally as the Hilux, and legendary for its 22 RE engine. This is the only truck on Earth famous for being impossible to kill, even after being dropped from a building. These were the years where Toyota stopped being just a car company and became a legend. This 2.4-liter four-cylinder is arguably the most reliable gasoline engine ever made because Toyota prioritized metallurgy over electronic complexity. Everything on this chassis is focused on longevity. The manual gearboxes are overbuilt for the engine's power output, meaning the internals are never under heavy stress. 350,000 miles is just the break-in period here. The only thing that truly kills these trucks isn't mechanical, it's rust. If you live in a salt state, the frame is your only enemy. Technically, you just need to keep an eye on the factory plastic timing chain guides. Over time, they can crack. But once you spend $200 on a metal-backed guide kit, the truck is good for another 20 years. In a world of disposable small pickups that are essentially cars with beds. This 80s Toyota is a miniaturized commercial vehicle. But if you need a truck that can pull a literal mountain while staying fully mechanical, you need the engine that redefined the heavy-duty market. Number 2, the 1994 to mid-1998 Dodge Ram 2500, equipped with the 5.9-liter 12-valve Cummins turbo diesel. This is not a pickup truck. It's an industrial power plant that someone accidentally put a Dodge body on. Specifically, the ones with the Bosch P7100 mechanical injection pump are the holy grail. This engine is entirely mechanical. There is no ECU managing your fuel maps or sensors dictating injection timing. If the crank is turning and it has fuel, it will run. The 12-valve uses a massive cast iron block and head with a gear-driven camshaft and connecting rods that look like they belong in a locomotive. This is why 500,000 miles is considered expected, not exceptional. The only technical flaw is the killer dowel pin, a small steel pin in the timing case that can vibrate out over hundreds of thousands of miles. It's a $20 fix to tab it down forever. Once that's done, you have a drivetrain that will outlast the body and your own patience. Modern diesels are choked by DEF fluid and EGR valves that cause carbon buildup and $10,000 engine failures. But this 12-valve Cummins doesn't even know what those words mean. We've seen the workhorses and the power plants, but number 1 is recognized from the deserts of Africa to the mountains of Japan as the most reliable machine ever built by humans. And finally, number 1, the 1990 to 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser 80 Series, featuring the massive 4.5-liter 1FZFE inline-6 engine. This is the gold standard for global reliability. This vehicle was designed for the most hostile environments on Earth, places where a breakdown isn't an inconvenience, it's a death sentence. The 80 Series wasn't built to a price point, it was built to a standard. This engine is a masterpiece with 7 main bearings and a forged steel crankshaft, designed to operate in 120-degree heat under full load for decades. The cooling system is oversized, and the transmission is a heavy-duty unit borrowed from Toyota's commercial bus line. The solid axles are nearly twice the diameter of what you'd find on a standard American half-ton. The only maintenance item is a small rubber hose at the back of the engine known as the pesky heater hose. Replace it every 150,000 miles, and the truck is a fortress. You could buy a luxury SUV today for $100,000 with 50 computers inside. But you wouldn't dare drive it through a river or across a desert. The 80 Series does those things for breakfast, for 30 years straight, without a single dashboard warning light. There's a profound emotional certainty in owning a machine like this. The knowledge that in a world of planned obsolescence, you own something that was built to endure when everything else has turned to rust.